The Fossibot F112 Pro is a compelling contender in the rugged 5G smartphone market, offering a blend of durability, performance, value, and elegance. The device would officially launch on the 17th of March for a very affordable price. If I recall, the device would cost about $160 during its official launch date. Anyway, the Fossibot F112 is literally going to be the best looking 5G rugged phone of 2025. Its design is so unique that if you see it at first glance, you might think that it's a normal smartphone, not a rugged smartphone, but it is a rugged device. Okay. Also, the device comes in 5 different color options, including orange, rose red, blue, green, and black. So tons of colorways for you guys to choose from. Anyway, the Fossibot F112 Pro is also equipped with tons of features and specs that I'll share with you guys in this video. It's just going to be a quick highlight. It's a budget 5G rugged phone, so do not expect much. But anyways, these are its top features and specs. So there we go guys, the Fossibot F112 Pro. As you can see, it's packed with impressive specifications and features, and considering its price, I don't think we can complain. It's a very cheap rugged device. I mean, it's going to be sold for around $160 on its official launch date, and with these specs and its design durability, I think it's quite okay. Anyways, what do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.